The talk of the Olympics and the world at the moment is all about photo finish. How is photo finish determined? Let's talk about it. First, congratulations to Noah Lyles and the US. He showed up at the biggest moment and ran a personal best to back up all the talk leading up to the Olympics. But proper finishing form and technique won Noah Lyles the race and cost Kishane Thompson the victory. Now, photo finish. What determines a winner in a photo finish is the torso, the upper body, chest, abdomen, and pelvis. Kishane's lower body, head all crossed the line first, but his dip technique was awful compared to Noah. His chest was sucked in, and that cost him the race. Noah's dip had his chest poked out, head up, legs back, driving him forward at the line. Kishane's head was down, chest sucked in, and his lower body ahead. Now, if Kishane had dipped properly at the line, he would have won the race. Experience won the 100-meter final. Kishane lost his form well before the finishing line. You could see him tense up and start to muscle his way over the last 20 or more meters of the race. Now, the bag of talk going on. It wasn't a dominant enough victory to do so much talking. But if you thought Noah was a parrot before that couldn't stop chirping, God go with him, because now he officially has the title of fastest man in the world. That title comes with winning the 100-meter at the Olympics. He won that title by 0.005 seconds. US media personalities like Shannon Sharp are already chirping, wondering why Jamaicans are not as loud in the congratulations to Noah Lyles as we are and were with Julian Alfred when she won the 100-meter finals. What they don't seem to understand is, after Jamaica is Caribbean, then the rest of the world. Julian Alfred is a fellow Caribbean representative and an honorary Jamaican. She went to high school in Jamaica. So of course we're going to support her every day and every time. When it's not a Jamaican winning, we'll support another Caribbean person before anyone else in the world. Kishane, big up yourself, same way. We got some unfinished business, but with this being your first Olympics, job well done. A silver is a great showing. It took Noah Lyles 3 Olympics to win his first gold. Usain Bolt did not medal at all in his first Olympics in 2004. Noah, you have 4 years bragging rights. Enjoy.